As technology advances, so do cyber threats. The U.S. is grappling with a growing number of cyber attacks, targeting critical infrastructure, businesses, and individuals. Notable trends: ransomware attacks. High-profile attacks on companies like Colonial Pipeline and JBS Foods have highlighted vulnerabilities. Government initiatives. The U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, is leading efforts to protect vital systems. Zero trust models. Companies are adopting stricter security frameworks to prevent breaches. Emerging issues: data privacy. The lack of comprehensive federal privacy legislation has led to a patchwork of state-level laws. AI and hacking. Cybercriminals are leveraging AI to develop more sophisticated attack methods. Biotechnology is merging with AI and robotics, opening new possibilities for healthcare and human enhancement. Breakthroughs. CRISPR gene editing. Scientists are using CRISPR to treat genetic disorders and improve crop resilience. Prosthetics and exoskeletons. Advanced prosthetics and wearable exoskeletons are enhancing mobility and strength. Lab-grown organs. Researchers are developing lab-grown organs, offering hope to patients on transplant waiting lists. Ethical questions. Designer babies. The ability to edit human embryos raises moral and societal concerns. Equity and access. Ensuring these advancements are accessible to all, not just the wealthy, is a growing concern. The concept of the metaverse, a virtual, immersive internet, is gaining traction, with tech giants like Meta, Google, and Apple investing heavily. Features. Virtual reality, VR. VR headsets are becoming more affordable, enabling new experiences in gaming, education, and remote work. Blockchain integration, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are fueling new business models in the digital realm. Challenges. Adoption. The metaverse's high entry cost and technological requirements limit its